researchers coming in and having conferences on travel, culture and ways of life. We'll be calling, say, we have a lot of Zentia population, Hasi population, and Garo population in Bangladesh. We would like to bring, 10 people. Yes, on this occasion of Shat Nongkrem, I would like to wish all the people of our state of Meghalaya, especially our citizens from Khasi Hills, on this very auspicious day. And I would like to thank everybody for inviting me. I am here today to witness a very, very important ritual called Pomblang. And this is the first time that I have been in this ritual, and it just reflects and showcases our rich heritage and our rich culture of our people, and the fact that we need to preserve it and ensure that we do our best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. And that's why, after speaking to Paim and to the other elders of CM of Khairem and all the other organizers out here, and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here, so that this could become a permanent site, which it already is, but have the required amenities, and also become a good tourist attraction to really showcase the rich heritage and the rich culture that our people and our state has. Thank you very much. No political questions?